So we have 3 over 5x plus 4 equals 1/3 x minus 6. So we notice that we have two fractions right here. What I would do is find the greatest common denominator. So which is going to be 15. Easiest way to find that is 3 times 5 equals 15. I just multiply the denominators together. So I will multiply everything by 15. So of course, parentheses mean multiplication, so I'm just going to draw my line to each one. So we know that 15 is timesing 3/5 x plus 15 times 4 equals 15 times 1/3 minus 15 times 6. So of course, I'm going to put the 1 wherever I see a fraction is, just because I know that I need to make this into a fraction to multiply it by. So because I know that 5 goes into 15 a certain amount of times, I have to simplify it across. So 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 15 3 times. So I know 3 times 3 is 9x, plus then 15 times 4 would be 15 times 4. I'll get 0, then bring the 2, and we'll get 60 equals, same thing over here. Yeah, I know 3 goes into 15 a certain amount of times. Bring that to 1. I'll bring in 5 right here. Then 5 times 1 is just 5x minus, then we know that this would be 90. Just to do some math, 15 times 6, this will be 0, 30. 6 times 1 plus 3 is 90. Now I just wanted to bring everything to one side, so minus 5x to both sides. I like to not deal with negative numbers, so I'm going to make sure that wherever my x goes, it's going to be a positive x. So we know 9x minus 5x is 4x plus 60 equals negative 90. Now I just do minus 60 on both sides. Negative minus a negative, we just want to add. So we know that this would be 150. Both have the same sign. So negative 150 for x, they divide by 4. And we get x equals 15 divided by 4. We will get 312.5. Oh no. Sorry, not 0.5. Then we will get 30. And we know that this goes into it 7 times. We get 28. Now that where does the 5 come from? So x is equal to 3.75. But it's a negative because the original problem is a negative.